Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School Mudod. So in our previous class we were discussed about the properties of integers, the properties of whole numbers. Those are closure property, associative property, then commutative property, and today we need to learn about identity of addition and subtraction, multiplication in whole numbers. What is the additive identity? Additive identity of whole numbers. So if I told you already once, a plus 0 is equal to a, or 0 plus a is also a. For any whole number, if you add 0, the number should be the result. That is known as, if we add with any number of whole number with any one identity, it should give the result again as a given number. I'll tell you one example like that. Seven plus 0 is equal to 7, or 0 plus 7 is also 7. This is 7 is a whole number. If we add 0 to this, again we will get the 7 itself. Okay. So identity, we have added to 0, so we got again 7. So then additive identity is 0 only. How is just read the textbook. How is the collection of whole numbers different from the collection of natural numbers? It is just the presence of 0 in the collection of whole numbers. This number 0 has a special role in addition. The following table will help you guess the role. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 0 plus 15 equal to 15. Whatever, any whole number if you add with the 0, you will get that number itself as a sum. So when you add 0 to any whole number, that is the result. It is the same whole number. Again, 0 is called an identity for addition of whole numbers, or additive identity for whole numbers. So 0 is a additive identity of whole numbers. 0 has a special role in multiplication too. Any number when multiplied by 0 becomes 0. For example, 5 into 6 equal to 30, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Observe how the product decreases. Do you see a pattern? You came across an additive identity for whole numbers. A number remains unchanged when added to 0. Similarly, is the case of multiplicative identity. So, how the additive identity of whole number is 0, like that multiplicative identity of whole number. If we multiply any number with one number, that again number should not change. So for example, I take 7 only. If I take 7, I should multiply with any other number. It has to give answer again 7 only. So result should be the number itself. Then this number is called as multiplicative identity of whole number. So how you will get this? By multiplying with 1. So 7 ones are 7. 1000 ones are 1000. So if we multiply any whole number with 1, so the result will be the number itself. So this 1 is called as multiplicative identity of whole number. So additive identity of whole number is 0 and the multiplicative identity of whole number is 1. So on the basis of these properties, we will get the problems or fill in the blanks in future. So multiplicative identity of whole number is 1. Additive identity of whole number is 0. Next, exercise 2.2. Okay, so shall we start these to solve on the board? Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. First one, that is A, 837 plus 208 plus 363. So there are three numbers. We will use the associative property. How it is? Grouping differently. So I will group this first and then I will add to this. Okay, 837 plus 208 you do. So 7 plus 8, 15. 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. So it is 1045 plus 363. Again for this you have to add 363. What will be the answer? 1408 is the answer. So next B. B 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. So associative property we can group. So this is 4 digit, this is 4 digit. I will group like that. 1962 plus 1538 plus this one 453 plus 647. So add these two first. 1962 1538. So 3500 plus these two we should add 453 647. So 11. So these two again we need to add. 1's place 0, 10's tens, 1 plus 5 6, 1 plus 3 4. So 4600. Next C. So next we will start the question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. So A 2 into 1768 into 50. So this is also associativity of multiplication. So we have to take 2 into 50, then multiply with 1768. So 250 2's 100 into 1768. So this is very easy for us. This number into 1 again same and 2 zeros. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Next B. What is the answer? Question of B? 4 into 166 100 into 166. So 166 ones are 166, these two zeros. So 16,600. Here 1,76,800. Next question. Let's solve this. See 8 into 291 into 125. So do the groupings. I'll take these two. 8 into 125 into 291. So 8 into 225, if we do 125 into 8. So 5 8s are. So 1000. 125 8s are 1000 into 291. 291 ones are 291. After that 3 zeros. So 2,91,000 is the answer. Next take this. So 279 into 16 I'll take. Then into 625. So these two you have to multiply. D 625 into, you can do like this also. 625 into 16. 625 into 16 into 279. This you can do. 625 into 16. If I do 16 5s, we will get the answer 10,000. So 10,000 into 279. So 279 into 1. 279, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So answer will be 27,90,000 is the answer. Next, here just see this. We need to, the answer should be, we have to get in the easy manner. Like that we have to do 5 into 60 and then 285. So 560. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are. Okay. Next into 285. So you need to do 285 into 3s. 285 into 3 you have to do. So 5 3s are 15. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 3 2s are 6, 7 8. 855. These two zeros you should write after this. So 85,500. Next, F. So here what you have to do, associativity you have to use, and then you should make the groups. Next you can multiply, you will get the answer easily. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. So 125 zeros are, you can do like this also. 125 into 8 into 40 into 25. So 125 into 8 means this is 1000. Multiply you can do. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 8 1s are 8. Then 10. So this will be 1000. 40 25s are. So 25 zeros are 0. 25 4s are 100. So 1000 into 1000. So 1 you write, 1 ones are 1. After this, write how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are totally 6 zeros. 10 lakh is the answer. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. There are A, B question I have written on the board. So just observe the we'll take the common outside. So 297, I took common from the both the side. So plus, after plus and before plus. 297 if I take outside, what will be remaining here? Into, in the bracket, 17 is remaining, and then plus, here 795, 7 has come out, so 3 has remained. So we have written like the associative property. Now 297 into 17 plus 3, 20. So now you have to do 297 twos. So 297 2 multiplication, 7 twos are 14, 9 twos are 18 plus 1 19, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. So 594 10, that is the answer is 5940. Next, see the B question. Here is also common thing. This one and this one. Take the common thing outside. 57,279. What is there in this? Here, what is remaining? Here, 92 is remaining. Plus, this has come out and 8 is remaining. Take next. 92 plus 8, 100. Now it's very easy to multiply. Same number as it is you write. And in 100 how many zeros? You write that much. So answer will be 54,27,900 is the answer. Next question, C. I'll write here C. 81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69. So this is one part and this is one part. These two are connected with minus. So here the common thing you should identify. So this one and this one are the common. Take those outside, common thing. Then into here 169 minus 69. So 81,265 into 169 minus 69. Answer is 100. Again you got the simplification very easily. So same number as it is. Into 100 means you have to write the zeros. This into 1 itself is the number is the answer, and these two are the zeros. Next question we will write. Just see this question. There is a little bit twist in this. So let's see that. This is one part and this is one side. So this is in terms of 5 and 782. Here there is no 5. So we have to make the grouping same. How can we do that? Into 5 into 782 plus 769. 5 can be written as 5 into 5. Instead of 25, I will write 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 again. So now we can take the common things outside. So what are the common things? Just see. So this one plus 769 into 5. 1 5 I have taken this side. So 5 into 280. So these in this one and this one are the common things. Let's take outside. 3845 into 5. What is step we have to continue this. So 3845 into 5 into 782 plus this multiplication we should do 218 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 9, 5 twos are. So these two we have to multiply first. So 3845 into 5 plus if we multiply these two 769 into 5 we will get 5 nines are 45 34 plus 38, so it will become 3845. So again see similar we got, and what else is remaining? 218. Now the both steps have become common. See, and these two are different. Take the common thing out into 5. What is remaining inside it? 782 plus this has come out and 218 is remaining. So these two multiplication we have to do. If we do these two multiplication 3845 into 5, so we will get, see here these two we have multiplied, so 19,225 we will get. These two we have to add, we will get this. So again multiply of this, we will get this answer. Okay, if you do the simplification like this by using the properties, then the multiplication will be easy for you, and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.